Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money on Acorn. But before we get into that, I want to ask you a question. What if I told you that there's a way to make money while you're saving for retirement? Would you be interested? I think most of us would say yes. After all, who doesn't want to make more money? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's possible to do just that with Acorn. Acorn is a micro-investing app that allows you to automatically invest your spare change. It's a great way to save for retirement or other financial goals without having to think about it. How does Acorn work? Acorn works by rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorn will round it up to $4 and invest the extra 75 cents. 1. www.pipiads.com www.pipiads.com. You can also set up automatic transfers to your Acorn account. This is a great way to save money regularly without having to think about it. What are the benefits of using Acorn? There are a number of benefits to using Acorn. It's easy to use. The app is very user-friendly and easy to set up. It's affordable. There are no fees associated with using Acorn. It's a great way to save for retirement. Acorn can help you reach your retirement goals faster. It's a great way to learn about investing. Acorn can help you learn about different investment strategies. How can you make money on Acorn? There are a few ways to make money on Acorn. Invest in the stock market. Acorn offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Take advantage of the roundup feature. The more you round up your purchases, the more money you'll invest. Set up automatic transfers to your Acorn account. This is a great way to save money regularly. Refer friends to Acorn. You can earn $5 for each friend who signs up for Acorn and invests at least $500. How much money can you make on Acorn? The amount of money you can make on Acorn depends on a number of factors, such as how much you invest, the type of investments you choose, and the performance of the markets. However, even if you only invest a small amount of money each month, you can still see significant returns over time. Is Acorn right for you? Acorn is a great option for anyone who wants to save money for retirement or other financial goals. It's easy to use, affordable, and a great way to learn about investing. However, Acorn is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to build wealth. Acorn is a great way to make money while you're saving for retirement. It's easy to use, affordable, and a great way to learn about investing. If you're looking for a way to save money and grow your wealth, I highly recommend checking out Acorn. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.